All right, so we have a quick instructional video to help these go on smoothly. Standard top hinge, stainless steel. You got your adjustable rod here. Pivot goes on the gate side. Just bolt them on like you normally would any gate hinge that you would typically use on vinyl like that. We always put aluminum inside the gate up. I don't know if you can see our cutaway here. We got aluminum inside this, and we always have aluminum or something really firm inside the gate post. The Swan hinges, do add some torque to everything, so we don't want any vinyl flexing or anything. We really want to be, secured to something that has a little bit of rigidity to it. So standard hinge, Swan hinge down at the bottom. So if you could bolt this on, you could bolt this on. Now you can control how much lift you get. So right now this is down almost in your standard position where most people put them on. Now if we were to, I always like to put the top hinges up towards the top. If we raise this up to here, you can raise this up to here. You can raise it up to within 3 feet of the top hinge, basically. But if we raise this up a little bit, we're going to get more lift. So you're going to need a 1-inch gap in between the gate post and the gate. You want that firmness. Now we got adjustability here in this threaded rod here, the same as this adjustability here. That helps with your gate gaps. There is a set screw here and a set screw on the inside here. So if you pull out these two set screws and loosen up these nuts, you could actually take this both lengths and slide them in a little bit and up these slots. If you do that, you're going to get less lift. So let's say you only need 3 inches of lift and you're going to get 6 inches out of these. You can slide these in to get yourself a little bit less lift so it doesn't go as high up in the air. So you take your set screws out, loosen up this nut, slide it in, tighten up this nut. There's no lefts and rights, so if left side is going to go on like this, right side flip it over and put it on this side. Doesn't matter whether this nut is on the top or the nut's on the bottom. It's all locked on. You don't have to mess with the pivot side. Just want to make sure these nuts are tight. So that's bolted on. This is about a 6-inch lift over 5 feet on this slope here. So gate's going to open right up the hill. The highest lift you're going to get is at 90. So that's about the highest lift. And then it kind of follows a little bit of an arc, so it'll start coming back down. But very simple to put on. Make sure you get all your inside screws in there. Here's our aluminum P channel that we put inside our gate ups. And that's all there is to it. Get it bolted on and you're good to go.